Tony. I'm the Engineering and Capital Projects Manager for Norseland Ltd. Norseland is a specialty cheese company, about a £50 million turnover company, so we have special brands like Applewood, Mexicana, Five Counties. In contact with them. We're probably buying machines at least one a year at the moment on average, so we're extremely happy with their product. It's improved things for us because we save an awful lot of money because of the accuracy. We've got a good relationship. Quite often you can work with companies and you don't have the relationship that we have with Minebea. They're always there to help us out to make sure that we're working okay.
And it's important for us that Minebea Intec is a name of quality and trust. This is a long-term thing. You can see with Tony, we've worked with Tony a long time, and you don't keep customers like that unless you give them what they want or exceed their expectations.